I just got this keychain making kit for my granddaughter, and I thought I would show it to you before she gets in it and has them everywhere. But I love that it comes with these different colors that you can choose from. This is the actual keychain, but it also comes with these strings that are colored if she would prefer to make like a necklace. And then also there's tons of the beads in here. So even if you run out of this, you could also still have beads and just put it on a regular string. But she's gonna love the fact that this has like letters on it. She could spell her name out, spell her friend's name, and then you just slide them right onto the keychain this way. And then it's got colored beads, so you can mix and match it. She's all about pink, so she's gonna love these little pink ones to slide down on there. There's little flowers, gold beads, white beads, these hearts, smiling faces. I mean, you name it. She's just going to have a ton of fun playing with this thing. The other thing I like is that it comes in this little kit. So you just shut it and it locks here on the front so they don't get everywhere. When she's done, you can just put them all back in here, which I'm sure they'll be messed up, but that's okay. At least they'll be together. So I just wanted to show it to you. I think if you have little girls, it's going to be, I mean, even little boys can, you know, use these and spell their name out. So it could be used either way. I bought it for her, but I shouldn't leave my grandson out. Just he's a little older, but I think kids will have fun. So just, I'd say give it a try and just see what they think.